So you can see in this one, which I will bring out of frame, we've had this super on now for about 10 days and they haven't touched it. The brood chamber is full of honey, absolutely chocked full of honey, but they're not coming up at all into these frames. You can see bees, but they're not drawing. Now, yes, I am moving over a little bit more to plastic coat. This is coated plastic. The other hives are accepting this and actually drawing it out. It's only this hive at the moment that's not accepting the frames, as you can see. So what we're going to do, we're going to trick the bees and I'll show you how we do it. So this is one of our stronger hives that I've also put the same frames in with plastic foundation, and they're drawing. So what we can do is I'm going to take a few of these frames that have actual honey in, that they've actually drawn, and we're going to move a couple into the other hive. So let's just show you a couple here. So you can see they're drawing and filling, when the other side hasn't so much, but you can still see it's raised up, so they are working the frame. So what we're going to do is we will take a couple of these, so we'll take that. So we need a bee brush or a leaf or a feather or something along that line, just to brush the bees off, because you don't really want to mix bees. And you can do this between hives if your hive is healthy. So I'm just taking a few of these frames out. I think we should take 3 from the other hive. So we've done a kind of mix. So now for the other hive, we get our bee brush, literally coming down very gently. Also, you don't really want the brush getting all honey on it. Okay, frame number 1, you can see. So we'll put that one, because it's quite nice, nearer the middle. You can see the bees down here, so they are coming through the excluder, so that's not the issue. But I've had bees in the past with this same issue, and I've done what we're doing now, and it seems to work. That's our first frame. So we'll select another one. That's nicely drawn. Right, you can see they're instantly coming up to see the honey. So this will encourage them to actually want to build and continue to fill the other frames with honey. So the negative frames now, ones that aren't drawn from that hive, can now go into the hive that they are successfully drawing, because they will just draw these. Simple as that. So we'll just put those in. Done. So, thanks for watching. See you next time.